Welcome back everyone, this is Prasad and you are watching 2 Minutes Notepad++. But before starting the session,
शर्त ये है कि तुम हमको इस स्केल में हराओ और हम तुम्हारा लगान माफ कर देगा.
okay, let's really start now. Today we are going to look at the feature of vertical typing. What does it mean? You can type on multiple lines parallelly. So many times in our day-to-day life, we have a requirement to write particular text on multiple lines. So a traditional way to do it is write it once on the first line, then copy paste on multiple lines. But in Notepad++, we have very cool feature called vertical typing. So what really we can do is, you need to press Alt plus left mouse click, drag the cursor till down here and write something. For example, I want to write a particular statement for 5 times. So what I'll do, I'll press Alt plus left mouse click, drag it to the 5th line and simply release this and start typing. And as you can see, I can write on multiple lines parallelly. Click anywhere in the workspace to get out of this and you're done. Now in the similar fashion, I can copy paste vertically as well. For example, in front of file.txt, I want to write numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I can do is, I can write the numbers. While copying it, I'll press Alt and with the left mouse click, I'll select the text. And again, if I go up where I need to paste it, I'll press Alt, drag down and simply paste it. So that's one of the cool feature of vertical typing and vertical copy pasting.